Do you use Zoom for teaching? Would you like to use more than one screen during your presentation without having to share separate screens each time? I'm going to show you how to use a program called OBS and my little setup here. Let me show you what I can do. So I have the camera hooked up here with using an old Galaxy Note 4. I have another camera set up looking at my white pad here that I can write on with a pencil or paper, obviously. I've got another camera here that gives me a little bit more of a wider view of my board here. I really like writing out things on a whiteboard. I've got another input here, which is a picture of my iPad screen. So if I wanted to use an iPad pen or Apple Pencil on my iPad or another tablet, I can do it like that. For back to my paper view here, I've got another view here where I have both cameras on at the same time. One kind of close up and the other one up in the corner showing the whole sheet of paper and how it's laid out. And I can switch those views to get more of a laid out paper view, but also have a close-up view up there in the corner. I've got this possibility, which is a slideshow. Just like PowerPoint, you can do a PowerPoint in this window, but I have slides loaded into this slide setup here, showing different photographs of something that I'm trying to display and trying to demonstrate. I've got a YouTube browser window. I just press these buttons and these windows show up. And if I go down here to the YouTube browser, I just press play, and there it is, it's playing. And this is all broadcasting out through Zoom to my audience. And they don't see all this background stuff that you're seeing on my screen. I'm going to press pause. There we go. And I can switch to another browser window. Here's another browser window that I am using and I have it focused on. So let's see. These are some other videos that I have on YouTube. I have a website that I can look at. I can go to this website. I can check out different pages on the website, and all of it can be shared on my screen. Now, actually, I'm not sharing my screen itself. This is simply my feed of my picture that I'm feeding out to my audience. So all this can be done with this program called OBS. Hi, everybody. Sorry to interrupt. For those of you that just want to go straight to installing OBS, click on this video that I've made on how I did that. For those of you that want to see more about how I use OBS with my setup, click on this video over here for the continuation of this video. And please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notification. And everyone, have a great day.